make-believe ideas. Never touch jigsaw boxes. Never touch a tiger. Soft silicone touches. Novelty jigsaw pieces. Include a fun jungle animal board book. Giant touch and feel pieces. You must never touch a tiger who dances to the beat. His boogieing is rawsome, but he might step on your feet. You must never touch a monkey. It's a risky thing to do. She might be very cheeky and throws party snacks at you. You must never touch an elephant who's in a loud parade. He'll keep you up past bedtime with his trumpeting brigade. So don't touch these party animals. They're wild, so please beware. Just steer clear and remember, it's a real jungle out there.